Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado LS dual cab ute, stock reference number 4435. This shape runs from the first month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has multiple small dents and a light fold on the front edge. Left rear door also has 4 small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has multiple small dents. Rear bumper bar does have a dent and the park sensor missing. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.